Today, hello, I'm Lakshmikant Shrotri here. I'm your financial coach. Today, we are going to see which mutual fund category is right for us. It's always debatable question whether which type to be selected because there is a huge number of categories are there. In all, there are 36 categories of mutual funds. We don't need more than 2 to 4 for a single portfolio of a mutual funds. So today we are going to see how we can select these categories of a mutual fund for our portfolio. So mutual fund categories are divided amongst by constitution. If you see, they are the close-ended, open-ended, and the interval funds. In case of equities, we have a diversified equities, we have a thematic equities, and then we have index funds. In case of debt, we have an income fund, gilt fund, and the liquid and the money market fund. In case of hybrid fund, we have a balanced fund and monthly income plans. In case of exchange traded fund, we have index funds and the gold funds. Now, it depends upon the investment horizon. We can classify the investment into three categories, like say long term, mid term, and the short term. In case of long term, the equity portion will be about 75 to 80%, and the debt portion will be about 22 to 25%. In case of a mid-term horizon, the equity portion will be about 50 to 60%, and the debt portion will be about 40 to 50%. In case of short-term duration, the equity portion will be about 20 to 25%, and the debt fund will be about 75 to 80%. Now, when we look at for the long-term duration of the equity, let's say in my previous slides, I showed that for the long term equity allocation will be about 75 to 80%. Now, of that 75 to 80%, my core fund will be about 50 to 60%, and that will be a multi-cap fund. My first supporting fund will be a large cap fund whose allocation will be about 30 to 50%, and then the second allocation will be to a mid and the small cap, which will be 10 to 20%. In case of a midterm, which is about 4 to 7 years, my core fund will be a large cap fund about 50 to 60%. And then my first mid cap and the small cap fund will be 10 to 20%. And then my supportive multi cap will be about 30 to 40%. And after that, if we look at the short term horizon goal, then my core fund will be a large cap again, which will be 50 to 60%. My supportive fund mid cap will be 30 to 50% of the equity allocation. You need to keep that thing in mind, that of the equity allocation in the short duration horizon, I am allocating only 20 to 25% of my total money for the equity, and of that 20 to 25%, I am allocating this. So here the multi-cap will be 10 to 20%. In case of debt fund, we have three categories: the long term, mid term, and the short term. For the long term, the short and the mid duration funds make sense. For the mid term, the ideal choice will be a short duration fund, and for the short term, the ultimate choice should be a liquid fund. I think after watching this video, you will be in better position to choose the right category of fund for your portfolio. Thank you very much.